Hi everyone, this is Development Economics Group number 1. In this video, we will show you everything you need to get started with Stata. Firstly, know that Stata is a complete integrated software package designed for data analysis, data management, and graphics. So now let's go to the first step. After successfully installing the Stata package, you will need to open Stata application, and at this point, you should have data to analyze. It could be in CSV, Excel, DDA, and any other statistical format. Though in this video, we'll use DDA format for analysis. So the very first step is to open our working directory, and it has two methods. The first method is to use a command cd followed by path, and then you press enter. Alternatively, you can use file on the menu bar, and then click on change working directory. Lastly, choose the folder of your choice where you want your file to be saved. We have a working directory there. Now my colleague will take you from there. Thank you.
Looked at working directory. Now I will be presenting on how to create and use log files and do log files in Stata. So to begin with, these two tools are essential for CS data analysis because they promote organization accuracy, and reproducibility. So now let's go through these tools in details. So we are beginning with a log file. So first and foremost, we need to understand what is a log file. So a log file, it is a complete record of everything that happens during our data sessions. In other words, it captures all the commands that you type, and it also results Stata. It also shows the results that Stata produces by simply. So in simple terms, it is like a recording of your entire analysis. So maybe some people, or maybe other people might want to know, why is it important to have log files? So it is important because it ensures transparency. It also helps in tracking errors, and in other case, it also makes your work easier to verify. Now let's look at how do we create a log file. So in order to understand this, and in order to create a log file, we use a command window. So in the command window, we type log using mylog dot log, comma, replace. Now after typing this command, we can press enter. Now we see the details. So maybe just to explain more on the log file, what does that mean? The first item, where it says log using, it means yeah, it means starts recording. It means somebody wants to start recording. My log, it means the file name. Replace, it simply means you are overwriting the existing file that you have. So it means once you're done with this, you can close the log file. And now moving forward, let's look at another tool, which is a do file. So as usual, let's discuss what is a do file. A do file, it is a file where you write and store series of commands to be executed later. So in simple terms, it is like giving a starter a script to follow. So why is it essential? Why does that matter to have a do file? So it is important to have a do file because it saves time by automating tasks, improve consistency, and sometimes it allows you to reuse your work. So therefore, instead of typing the commands repeatedly, you just run the do file once. So that's why it's very important and it's easy for um, to complete your task. So moving forward, how do we create a do file? So there are several steps. The first one is you go to the Windows section and you click where there's a do file editor, and then you create where there's a do. So as you can see, this is the window button. That means our first step is done. So now our second method is using the command. So on this one, we are using the command section window. So to do edit, as you can see, the screen is also showing the same way it was showing we using the other method. So it means everything is done. So reaching at this point, this is what I had for you. We have I have showed how you can create a do file and how you can create a log file. Now my colleague will start from here with the other work that we prepared for you guys.